morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 14 and let me show you how to locate serial number. At first open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And here we've got device information with both IMEIs included. Tap on OK, and now you can also find IMEI number via settings. So at first open the settings, go to about phone, scroll a bit, and now enter detailed info and specification. And here enter status, where you will be able to read IMEI numbers. The first one and the second one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.